Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your CapCut project. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in this menu where we have our project. From here we tap on the project that we want to edit, and then in the bottom bar we find the text icon. If we tap on the text icon, here we have a bunch of options that we can select from, but in the left side there is an add text button, an A+. We tap on this. Here we can enter our text. Let's say it's subscribe, and then we can edit the style. We can add effects, we can create bubbles, animations, and after we are done with setting up our text, we tap on OK, and our text is added to our video. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.